So how to install Toyota app to connect your Toyota. So let's just tap get and then double click to install. That's basically how you install it. So yeah, smart app. It's pretty high in the charts because there are a lot of Toyotas in the US. And then you create it to provide a more convenient way to manage your vehicle. The Toyota app gives you even more ways to stay connected to your vehicle, featuring our range of connected services. Simply sign up to activate, manage your vehicle's own connected services, and you could soon be enjoying great features like remotely starting your vehicle, lock and unlock your doors, find your parked vehicle, guest drivers alerts and notifications, vehicle maintenance alerts and health reports, drive polls, last mile navigation, my destinations, integrated streaming, user profile. So yeah, all kind of stuff like that. Yeah, so that's basically the idea. And yeah, but as you can see, the average rating is not that high because very often, if you rely on the app to really unlock or lock your car, it can be quite frustrating because there can be some server issue with the app or some internet connection or just app is not responding and boom, you can't unlock your car. So I wouldn't rely on the app just all the time. I would just use it as some additional nice to have service because that's just what it is. Like, don't rely completely on the app with your cars. It's fun to use like apps for some some additional things, like whatever, like you can use apps to order some food from restaurant. If you don't can do that, you can just walk. But like if you just use the app to completely manage your car remotely, you can sometimes end up in situation where you're just standing in the field and you can unlock your car in the middle of nowhere. And that's why I think there are a lot of really bad negative reviews, because this is not jokes, so you need to really trust the app, I'm just saying. And then you can easily sign up with Apple, Google, Facebook. So sign up with Apple, for example, and then here you can just do this, create an account just like that. Super easy to get started. And then you need to add your mobile number, confirm with confirmation code, and there you have it. Then you can just get started.